The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Remove the dampener cord from the glove box. Close the glove box. Remove the two clips that secured the glove box door by its hinges. Remove the glove box door. Remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Insert your new filter into the housing. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the dampening cord. Reinstall the glove box door. Reinstall the clips.
For the best price, visit undercarexperts.com and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.